Namaste everyone, this is Annaimashita studying 9th class in Sri Gurukula Vidyalaya.
This is K. Yognashri studying 9th class.
This is K. Kavyakruti studying 8th class.
So our title is Automatic Pill Dispenser for Dementia and Alzheimer's Patients. In today's busy world, many Many elderly people, especially those who are suffering from dementia and Alzheimer's, facing difficulties whether remembering to take their medicines or not. This often results in major two problems: missed dose or overdose. Both these situations can affect their health. To avoid such type of problems, we developed an automatic pill dispenser that ensures that the patient take their medicines at right time and only as per scheduled dose.
Objective. The main aim of this project is to assist people suffering with memory loss conditions like dementia or Alzheimer's, whether they are taking medicines in time or not, and prevent from overdoses or missed doses by using automatic alert-based system.
Start. Components used. First, I will connect to power supply. This is microcontroller ESP32. This is breadboard, and this is LCD display to display the schedule time. RTC module for date and time. This is buzzer for sound. Working principle. A system works on the time-controlled dispensation mechanism using microcontroller Arduino Uno or ESP32, real time clock RTC module and stepper motor. At present times, morning, afternoon and night, the RTC sends the signals to the controller. Then the buzzer turns on and alert to the patient. The stepper motor rotates to open the compartment containing the scheduled medicine doses. Once the patient takes the medicines and presses the push button, the buzzer offs and rack will close automatically. This ensures that the medicine is taken only once in a right time. The buzzer acts as a reminder for patient. A single stepper motor controls all these three sessions, morning, afternoon and night, by rotating 360 degrees aligned with each compartment.
It is useful for patients with memory-related conditions, can be used in hospitals, old age homes, and also used in your own houses. Helpful for chronic patients who require regular medication. Advantages: avoid overdose and missed dose. Provide a timely alert with buzzer sound, and user friendly and automatic operations. Reduce the need of manual supervision.
Conclusion. The automatic pill dispenser provides a smart, safety and reliable solution for people suffering from dementia and Alzheimer's. It ensures that the patients are taking the medicines on time without any confusion. It combines with automation, time management and healthcare assistance to the patients and give a peace of mind to the caregivers. Thank you.